Withdraw up to 100 Dogecoins daily using this amazing site. You can withdraw up to 100 Dogecoins daily. You just need to listen to me so I can teach you how to do it using the phone. You're on and the phone in your hand. You can experience a very good dollar income and achieve financial independence. I've put the site link in the video description for you. Click on it and go to the registration section. Hello my dear friends, welcome to a new video on earning dollar income. As you can see, in the first section you need to enter your email for registration and in the second section, your password. And click on the get code option. It will send you a code that you can enter in the verification code field and click on the register option. In this way, you can easily complete your registration and enter the site's dashboard. Okay, we finished the registration section and move on to the site's dashboard. As you can see, using the methods I will tell you, you can withdraw up to 100 Dogecoins daily. The price of Dogecoin is displayed above for you, and you can use trust wallets and also PayPal Time and Faucet Pay to make your withdrawals. Note that guys, you must use the most important wallet that you want to make your withdrawals with. So what is my suggestion? My suggestion to you is definitely to use the trust wallet so you can store your Dogecoins in it. And for example, I suggest not holding on to them for 1 or 2 months and instead let the profit from the tokens you received increase more and more. In the very first stage, it gives you 2.5 Dogecoin tokens, which is a digital currency that you can withdraw and use and achieve financial independence using this site. As you can see at the bottom, our free plan mines 1 Dogecoin daily for us. Let me put it this way. You can earn dollars even while sleeping, playing games, or watching movies. If we click on the deposit or investment option, you can easily use the plans 2, 3, and 4 to increase your income. However, my suggestion to you is to operate for free, and by using the options I provide for you, you can experience earning dollars completely free and achieve financial independence in your life. To be able to withdraw our dollar income, we click on the dashboard option and make our withdrawal using the withdrawal option. That is on the site's dashboard page. If we click on the transaction option, you can see from this section whether I have made a withdrawal or investment or not. If you also click on the bonus option, you will receive 2.5 Dogecoins as a bonus. Most importantly, there was the upgrade section, which I explained to you. If you want to earn more income and acquire a lot more Dogecoin tokens, you must use the referral section to increase your income by using your referral link. Introduce it to your friends so that they come and register on the site and you can earn a lot of income through that. For example, what? I will explain more in the continuation of the video. What? If we click on the withdraw option, the minimum withdrawal amount is 7 Dogecoins, which you can easily reach. And you can increase and even withdraw your income more and more. If we click on the checkout option, you can now paste your Dogecoin address in this section and click on the update option there at the top. You click on my URL referral, or better to say, your referral link gets copied, and now you can share it with your friends and increase your income up to 100 Dogecoins daily. Now, I will go into Trust Wallet now and I copy my Dogecoin address and paste it in this section. Then click on the update option. Now, my account has been successfully registered. If I go back to the withdrawal section, I can easily make my withdrawal by second. I love you all very much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Also, leave a heart in comment for me. Until the next video, goodbye.